My name is Sebi, and I took part in the SpeakOut challenge in 2016 and 2017. I, like most, went through the workshop and I delivered my speech that I worked on with the advice given to me in the workshop. And I managed to progress to the regional finals where I won. And I was shortlisted in the semi-final to go to the grand finals. Well, I didn't place, unfortunately, but that's alright. It was a great experience anyway. And after that, I became an alumni ambassador for Speakers Trust. Absolutely, I have learned from the program how to communicate effectively with others. You don't really see the importance of that as you are a student when you just, doing your thing. But when you enter the world of work and when you even start to go into higher education, you learn the value of communication skills. And the fact that the program does emphasize on that and does help in that is really, really useful. And I've definitely taken that with me. As an alumni ambassador, some of the rewarding experiences that I've had was definitely working on the new website for Speakers Trust. We had meetings about it, everyone pitched in and gave the ideas on what should be on the site and how the site should flow and how it should work. And it was really quite nice to see our discussions being actually taken seriously and we have tangible results from our discussion. Another experience that I really loved was meeting the new young trustee, Hilda, I believe the name was. And yes, speaking with her and how she managed to become a young trustee was really, really insightful. As a career, I'd really love to go into law, preferably as a barrister, but obviously that might change. And I think that the program has helped me in being able to structure arguments and being able to structure what I want to articulate to people. So I think that would be really helpful in